You country boy, you have to take ownership and responsibility for your life because you're alive and accountable to yourself. You're not a stone. You're not a lifeless body, a lifeless corpse. You are a human and have consciousness and are accountable to yourself. You are not a person who avoids responsibility. You are not a person who does not own up to your circumstances and issues. So what do? You take personal inventory and accountability of yourself, and you live and act accordingly. You see the next best move for your situation and take action ASAP. So you, country boy, you have to take ownership and responsibility for your life. You